Allen Millyard is one of Britain's finest engineers, the builder of awesome bikes of all description. Sorting out our little BSA engine should be no problem.
Alan, got an engine. Here we go, mate.
Oh my God, look at that.
Hey, look.
Get on it.
Watch me fingers. Now, look, mate, I thought we'd share the love. All right?
That's about okay like that, isn't it?
And give you the engine for your delectation. What Sammy and I are fascinated about is obviously what's seizing it.
Yeah.
Whether it's water ingress, whether it's had a large lunch, whatever. But should we just take the head off and have a looky poo?
All will be revealed.
As usual, it's easier said than done. Revealing the inside of this engine requires yet more wrenching, spannering and general fiddling.
It's sort of like opening Pandora's box, isn't it, mate?
Alan gets on with it, but it's not long before I'm struck by ADRS, attention deficit when it comes to restoration syndrome. The focus of my distraction is Alan's latest purchase.
Hey, mate, it's gorgeous.
I love it.
Hey?
It's my favourite bike now.
Look at that, a lovely little, is it an Excelsior?
Yeah, 98cc,
Yeah.
2.8 horsepower.
Mate, that is just so cool. I'll tell you what, man, we should go for a ride on ours.
We need to.
We should set ourselves a challenge and venture off into the hinterland together.
35 spanner twists later, we have liftoff.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
This is it.
No, one more.
Oh, one more. Okay, no, it's not there at all. Coming up after the break, this is it.
Right, that's it, right.
Okay, here we go. Are we ready?
Yeah, go on, give it a try.
Here we go.
Caramba! The cylinder head is finally off. The top end looks surprisingly good, but Alan's not happy with the state of the barrel.
I don't think the piston's seized. I think the big end might be lock solid.
Oh.
But we'll find. The next thing to do is undo the brace bolts and lift this barrel off. And if it just lifts off straight away, then it all will be revealed.
All right, so we're basically halfway through the investigation, as they'd say in a small murder inquiry. We're on the trail of a villain, but it just happens to be in there rather than on the streets of Southall. Do you know what I mean?
As the engine autopsy continues, Alan employs his blowtorch, his wrench and his mallet, while I gaze in wonder at the general state of order that reigns in his tiny shed.
I spend probably half of my time in the shed
Looking for the M6 nut.
looking for the M6 nut.
And the M6
Absolutely,
spanner,
mate,
yeah.
absolutely. And because I've got so many tools.
Yeah.
And I blame Sam for that.
Then finally, we're ready for the really big reveal. Who or what killed this bike?
Yes! Now then,
That's
what have
messy.
we got
That's
here?
messy in there.
Oh,
That's definitely seen better days, hasn't it?
doesn't it just?
Main bearings are rotted solid. Funny thing is, the big end feels all right.
The good news is the cylinder looks smooth enough to refurbish.
There's a tiny bit of a ridge.
Yeah, there's a
there's
ridge
quite
there.
a ridge there actually. It might be a
is that-
first ever size rebuild.
Oh, right, on the top, yeah.
Yeah, it'll be a first ever size rebuild.
And even the big end doesn't feel totally seized.
I mean, we'll have to strip the crank and check it,
sure.
but I think the big end will be all right.
And actually, that's come up really nicely.
I'll get this completely stripped and cleaned, and we can assess what we need to do.
Okay, mate, look, great. Are you sure you can do this on your own?
I'll just come
Because
back.
I'm fully available if you need me.
Absolutely fine. Tell you what, pop back round tomorrow afternoon.
He always says that. I'll tell you what, with Alan, tomorrow afternoon he'll have finished it.